Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix payment not completed error. While you want to purchase app from App Store and you're facing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, let me tell you that if your balance is not enough and you want to purchase app or movie, then you can see this type of error. Okay guys, if your balance is enough, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to go to settings and just simply have to sign out your Apple ID and then sign in again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open setting again, tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to tap on media and purchases and then tap on view account. So from here what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you have given correct information about your payment method or your billing address also correct. Just simply tap on manage payment, and from here you have to make sure that your debit or credit card expiry date is not over, and you have to make sure that you has given you access to purchase apps or do internationally payments. Okay guys, so from here you have to tap on your billing address and you have to make sure that you have given correct information here. And the second thing is guys, you have to tap on country origin. From here you have to change your country. So before changing a country guys, just simply you have to put the new payment method and try to purchase that. So from here guys, you have to tap on change country origin. From here you have to select your country, and from here you have to wait some seconds. Now here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully and just simply tap on agree again, tap on agree and wait some second. From here you have to put your billing address here, and here you have to put the required information, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.